रहमान अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 9th क्लास कंप्यूटर का आप लोगों के साथ गेस्ट पेपर जो है वो शेयर कर रहा हूँ। तो वो क्वेश्चन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ जो कि हर साल बोर्ड पेपर जो है पूछे जाते हैं। तो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, अच्छे से तैयार करके जाए, इंशाल्लाह आपके पेपर में भी यही क्वेश्चन आएंगे। तो चैप्टर नंबर 1 के पहले शार्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। तो पहला है राइट डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ फ्लो चार्ट, कंपेयर एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ एन एल्गोरिथम, डिफाइन टेस्ट डेटा, डिफाइन द फ्लो चार्ट, डिफाइन ट्रेस टेबल, डिफाइन वेरिफिकेशन, describe divide and conquer strategy, describe the importance of flow chart in problem solving, describe valid test data, difference between flow chart and algorithm, difference between input and output notation in an algorithm, or draw a flow chart to find the volume of a cube, explain candid solution, or explain determining requirements for a flow chart, give example of wrong data format, how can we solve a problem. Make any two symbol of flowchart with names, or state the importance of flowchart in problem solving, और उसके बाद defining problem, what is a prototype, what is act it out, और boundary test data, और absent data मतलब दस्तियाब data, what is mean by algorithm, what is mean by decision making, what is mean by identification and correction of errors, what is mean by planning a solution, write down in three strategies, what is mean by problem analysis, what is mean by solving the problem, what is mean by strategy, use guess in identifying a problem, what is mean by understanding a problem, what is the act it out strategy, or what is the use of uh, processing symbol in a flowchart, which symbol of flowchart will be used to represent the condition अगर जो दी हुई है, why testing is important in problem solving, write a note on efficiency of algorithm, write down the names of 5ws, write two disadvantages of algorithm. वैलिडेशन और वेरिफिकेशन दोनों आप लोगों ने करनी है। उसके बाद है 1024 16 हेक्साडेसिमल कन्वर्ट इनटू डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम। ASCII स्टैंड फॉर, इसका मतलब क्या है? कंपेयर वोल्टायर एंड नॉन वोल्टायर मेमोरी। तो फिर ये कुछ है, किसी को डेसिमल में करना है, किसी को बाइनरी में करना है, किसी को हेक्साडेसिमल में करना है, ये सारे जो है आप लोग करने आने चाहिए। तो ये डिफरेंट बोर्ड में जो है एक आध जो है लाजमी जो है पेपर में आएगा। उसके बाद डिफाइन नंबर सिस्टम, डिफाइन कम्यूटेटिव लॉ, और डिफाइन कंपाउंड पोजिशन, define logical operation, define non-volatile memory, give an example, define secondary memory, draw the truth table for the compound preposition, explain logical not operator, write the uses of truth table, write two difference between memory and storage. उसके बाद explain volatile memory with example, how can we convert hexadecimal to binary, how data is represented in computer memory, how many bytes are there in bits, how many bits are there in bytes, sorry, how many kilo byte are in 1 megabyte, make the truth table of not operator, prepare truth table for or operator, prove that a plus b is equal b a plus a with the truth table, state the commutative law, what is byte, what is mean by hard disk loading, what is mean by memory, what is mean by number system, what is mean by the truth values, what is difference between bit and byte, which number system is used in our daily life, and what is the base of that number system, what is byte by RAM is called a volatile memory, write down the method to convert decimal number into binary number, write down the truth table of AND operator. उसके बाद है चैप्टर नंबर 3, विच प्रोटोकॉल डू वी यूज फॉर ईमेल, डिफाइन क्लाइंट, डिफाइन कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, डिफाइन डेटा कम्युनिकेशन, डिफाइन फाइल ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोटोकॉल, डिफाइन FTP प्रोटोकॉल, define IPv4 with example, define protocol, define the memory, define the ring topology, describe point-to-point connection with example, describe the difference between server system and client system, describe the difference between static and dynamic IP address, describe the network of networks, difference between a sender and receiver, explain the IP addressing, write difference types of transmission medium, write the name of communication medium, or write types of connection. Explain routing on the internet, explain the concept of network topology, how computers are connected in computer network, how many number of layers are there in computer network models, how to connect client and server with each other, what is hypertext transfer protocol, what is meant by file sharing, what is meant by hardware sharing, what is meant by physical layer, what is meant by receiver, what is meant by start topology and how does it work, what is made by transmission medium, what is made by user communication, what is the use of communication system, what is the use of SMTP, what is the use of switch hub, what is the use of transmission medium, where we use multi-point connection, write a note on bus topology, write a note on start topology and mesh topology, write a short note on client server पर मुख्तसर नोट लिखें. Next, step number 4, describe the purpose of encryption. Define copyright law, define encryption or define patent, define sabotage, define the internet, describe the aspects according to which we want to secure our data, define between integrity and confidentiality, explain the cyber tax, what do you know about the advanced fee fraud, what is hacking, what is meant by key of software in piracy, what is meant by counterfeiting, what is meant by online privacy, what is meant by phishing attack, what is piracy, give an example, what is reason to add captcha on website, what is soft lifting, what is the purpose of password, why is security necessary for data, describe it. Next, chapter number 5. How does web server work? What is difference between parent tags and singular tags? Write the name of main parts of web page. Define anchor. Define body section. Define HTML. Define row span. Define row span. Define singular tag. Define table. Define the URL. Describe about nested list. Describe about singular tags, or describe the body section in the web page. Difference between hypertext and markup language. Explain the hyperlink. Explain the difference between hyperlink and anchor. Explain the use of UL tag, or give an example of a pair tag. How many type of list in HTML? HTML stand for which? State the definition list. What is web page? What is meant by a hypertext? What is meant by attribute of tags in HTML? What is meant by content formatting in HTML? What is meant by making a table in HTML? What is meant by markup language? What is meant by pair tags? Give an example. What is the difference between ordered and unordered list? Which tag attributes is a text? Which tag is used for adding images in HTML? Which tag is used for making a table in HTML? Why body attributes is added to image. Write a code of HTML of font size of text 24 Punjab, or write a note on head section. Write down the name of HTML tags. Write HTML code tag to make the word Pakistan bold. Write HTML code tag to make the word Pakistan italic. Write the name of two attributes of tag. Write tag to add image in HTML. Write basic text of formatting tags. Write the code to insert two list atom in the web page. Write the HTML code to make world school italic. Write the method to creating graphical hyperlink. Write the name of HTML elements. तो ये स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों का कंप्यूटर के मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट शार्ट क्वेश्चन है. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है वो भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूंगा. तो चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहें. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.